Okay. What the flip? Guys, there is fire that's dripping. It's dripping. Do you see? Ah, God, that's hot. That fire right there is dripping down because it got like in some weird stuff. Okay. Oh, my tablet's burning. But yeah, that fire. This fire right here was dripping earlier. Oh, it still is a little bit. Look. See, it's dripping. That's cool. Ow! My ankle! God! Oh. Hey, would you look at that? There's only 3 sticks left. Oh, God. Didn't see those. These. You want to get all these little twigs too?
Yeah, I didn't pick them up for nothing. If you hold them in your arm like this and cup it, it's a lot easier.
Hand me some.
No, you have to do it yourself because you got to know what you can put there. I can't tell you what you can put there. I don't feel what you can hold in your arm.
Stop breaking sticks. Oh, that's why it's freaking like 12 feet tall. Dropping twigs. God dang it. Gosh dang it. Oh. Stupid sticks, stop breaking. Jeez. One that I dropped earlier. Exploding. Can't believe there's still fireworks in there from the 4th of July. It's almost the 4th of July again. Oh God, that smoke is black. It's like space or something. Kaboosh. Oh, God. You want me to go get in the shower real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll come back out here and get dirty.
Okay. Oh, think I pulled a muscle. Wait, the moon is orange. Front flip. Here we go. Back flop. Oh God, my head. Why's there enough mega dart on here? Okay. That reflection though. Grab this dumb Mega Centurion. Guys, that's gonna have to end it for today's vlog. I have to go to sleep. Or not. I'll see you guys later.